Hey guys, how are you all? How was your Navratri celebration? Do let me know in the comments below. So today we are gonna make these cute earrings. The common factor in these earrings is that this jardoshi that we have used for all these earrings. Otherwise, the designing are totally different for all. So I hope that you will watch this tutorial till the end for all these earrings, and we'll try to make this kind of earrings at home. This I really love this combination, and I was just thinking that why I didn't try this first, because this looks so cute and classy and they're very easy to make also. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this kind of earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And I'm really thank you to all that you all are supporting my channel a lot. And we are gonna soon be a family of 500 subscribers. So I'm so happy for that. Thank you so much. And if you haven't been the part of this family, do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And yes, if you have any recommendation about any kind of jewelry to make, do let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna bring a tutorial of one cute handmade jewelry brooch, so stay connected for the same. And yeah, now without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take this MDF shape, and then we'll add the cotton fabric in this. I have added cotton fabric in teal color. Then we'll add the jardosi. For that we'll add this Fevibond glue. So now you have to be very slow and do the work like with lots of calm mind, because this is very detailed work. And if you made something wrong, this wire will come out. It's like a kind of spring wire if you have handled it. So be very slow, calm, and just do this work. Otherwise it will be, otherwise the detailing won't be good. So in this way we have to add this jardoshi wire and cut the extra part. Then we'll add something in the middle. So I have taken one leaf for that, because I just thought it will just match with the white. So you can see this is how I have may added in the very small way. So we will take this leaf. So there are varieties of leaf available in the market. You can take any, again with the help of B6000 glue. So I have added the glue, and then we'll add the leaf to this, and then we will surround this with zero size pearl beads. So I'll add the glue to the surrounding side, and then slowly again carefully we will add these zero size pearl beads. So and make sure that you will add the beads also properly. The round part won't come like to the upper side, like the whole part. So I have added this, and now we'll add the eye pin and earring stud. So make sure to have a direction. The leaf part should come upside. So to that one we'll add the earring stud, and downside we'll add the eye pin. So now we'll keep this for drying, and we'll do the lower part. So I have added this fabric, and then again we'll add this jardoshi with the help of Fevibond glue. So let's add it quickly. So guys, if you are enjoying my tutorial till now, do hit the subscribe button. So again, as I have told you, you have to be very slow and steady. And I have so many designs on my Instagram channel. I'll give its link in the description below. So just check that out. So again we have to make it in a double way, just for the sake of experiment. That's how we do it. So now we have to add some dangles to this. So for that we'll make it first. So I have taken the jump ring, then again we'll add the zero size pearl, then leaf, and then again the zero size pearl. And I will tie this jump ring very tightly, so that nothing will come out. So just tie it very tightly, and you can see this is how it looks. So you take the elbow pliers. So this is how it looks. Moti, leaf and moti. Then we have to make this in five more, and then we'll add it in the jump ring. Now this will over weight jump ring pin. So just eye pin spin. So open it very widely, and then add all these five. You'll realize that this small hole is not enough, so you have to open it in the mix section. And again, be very careful, be very patient with this, and then just take the use of plier and attach it. So this dangles will add to this lower part, and in the same way we have to add to this both the sides. Now we will add the back finishing fabric. So I have taken this orange one, just matching to that one, because I didn't had any yellow or teal colored one, so I have taken this. So yes, so add the glue, ample amount of glue, and then apply this back finishing fabric. So I'll quickly do that, and do let me know if you are liking my tutorials or no by liking this video. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. We are gonna soon be a family of 500 subscribers, and I'm so happy and grateful for all those who had supported my channel, who keeps on commenting and liking those. So I have added this back finishing fabric, so both the sides, and now we'll just simply attach it. See, these are very easy to make. It's just that you need to know the techniques, and of course you need to have the patience. So for the upcoming festival, guys, I'm going to bring a lot of amazing designs, so stay connected. Also, now the wedding season will come up after Diwali, so stay tuned and make lots of jewelry. So in this way we have made our first pair of earrings. Now for the second earrings, I had already added the back finishing, the fabric, and this main two layers. Now again we will add one more layer of jardoshi. So first I added the layer of jardoshi, then pearl beads chain, then again let's add one jardoshi. So slowly and steadily again. You can also use the fabric glue if you want, but it takes time to dry up, so that's why I have used this one. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please do it, guys. I have given the link in the description below, and show your love by subscribing to my channel. And again, if you carefully follow all the instructions and steps mentioned in my tutorial, you can easily make these earrings, and it doesn't take a lot of time at all. Here I had a purple fabric, so I have added the back finishing of purple fabric, and now we'll add the earring hook over here. So again, with the help of hole maker, be very careful while doing this. You don't have to touch the base, otherwise your hand will come below this hole maker and everything will be gone. So now I have taken this eye pin, will open the hole and close the loop. So attach this eye pin. You have to take it through this hole, and then this like this you have to attach it tightly. Then I have taken this golden bead chain. You can also take the pearl bead chain or golden bead chain. Sorry, this is a diamond bead chain. You can take golden bead chain or pearl bead chain if you don't have this. And then again, now we'll attach this and we'll cut the extra part and make the whole loop of this, so that we can attach this further part in the stud. So I have taken this stud. We have made this at the home just by the kundan. So I had ordered this, brought this kundan, and with the help of B6000 glue also you can just attach this earring stud. So add this, and I just insert it in the any hole of this kundan, cut the extra part of the eye pin and make the loop. So it's that easy to make. So that's it. With this, or the second pair of earrings is to ready. Ta-da! Then for the next one, we will kind of make in the peacock shape pattern. So for that, first I have taken this round base and will apply this jardoshi wire as usual. So be very careful and apply this jardoshi wire. Now we'll make the design with the help of 3D outliner. So I have taken this 3D outliner of Fevicryl, and we'll apply this. We'll add this design. So you can add any design that you want to. Okay, just be comfortable while doing it and make sure that you are doing it very perfectly. So if you are enjoying my tutorial till now, guys, please hit the like button. Thank you. So I have added this and we'll wait for it to get dry. Until that time we'll work on the lower part. So we'll add the jardosi to this. So let's add it quickly. And again we are gonna add the double layering also. So I have added this, and now as usual we will do the design. So I will add a cute leaf kind of pattern over here. So let's add it, and you can do anything that you want to make. Okay, so we'll keep it up for drying, and now once dry we will add the kundan over here. So I have taken this small white colored kundan on this. So we'll apply. Now we'll flip this side and we'll add the eye pin and earring stud to this. So this add these eye pins, and so I added the glue again Fevibond glue, and this attach it. And yeah, so you can you can make them in any color combination that you want to. I have just added them in like in teal, purple, but you can make in red, pink, white or black, whatever your customer demands, and do varieties of color combinations. So do let me know in which color combination you are gonna make. So the way we attach the eye pins to our eye pins and kundans to our stud part, in the same way we are gonna add the kundans and eye pins to our this lower part also. So just do that, and let's make this earring beautiful. So I have added this, and I'll add the 5 eye pins to the bottom part over here. So that's it. And once added, we'll also add the back finishing fabric, and we'll do this quickly. So guys, had you watched my last tutorial of fabric choker, do let me know in the comments below, and do let me know the feedback about the same. I really like to engage with all that. You all guys comment on my channel and share the feedback and let me know how was it. So please do let me know in the comment below how was my last tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform, so please do it. So now we'll add this like oval size gold glass bead. So I have taken the laria, and we'll add pearl bead in that. Then we'll add this oval size glass bead and some 2 L'Oreals, and this bunch we will attach it to this last part over here like this. So in the same way we'll add to the third one also, leave the middle part, and in the same way we have to add this to this lower part also. So this is how beautiful it looks. Now that we just have to attach this both the parts. So that's it. So please do it, and I hope that you are subscribed to my channel yet. I'm really trying to grow out my channel, so please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We really have a lot of content and designs over here. So with this, how these cute earrings are ready. Don't forget to see the pattern. And now the last but not the least, so I've taken this kind of hexagon, and I have added the jardosi to that, and with the help of 3D outliner we will add the design. So again, make any design that you want. We mostly make the flowers only, right? So I have added these flowers, and once this get dry we will add some kundans over here. So I have taken 2 types of kundans. On these flowers we will add these kundans, the like transparent kundans, and to the bottom ones we will add other kundans that will come to know now. So these are also small size kundans, and this also looks so cute and gorgeous, and I had them for so long, and I was thinking what to do with them. So I just today come up with this design and I utilize them. So if you have any raw material, just don't, it's not the waste. You just have to use your brain that how to do it. And these earrings are also best to gift your friend or family. So if you have any birthday coming up, or you have to, Bhai Dooj is coming up, so if you have to gift someone for Diwali or Bhai Dooj, or the weddings are coming, these are best for Mehndi and other functions also in the wedding. So if you want to order these earrings for the same, These are best, or if you want to make it, you can make it. It's very fun to make. And if you want to order, I have given the link in my Instagram, so you can connect me on the Instagram. So now once this is dried up, we will add this gungroot. So you can again do a lot of experiment. You can add whatever you want in the tassel. So I just feel that gungroot will look better, so I will add this to all the side, and see how cute it looks, and it makes a very cute noise. So now we'll add the earring hook over here. So again, with the help of hole maker, make the hole, and then add the earring stud. So tada, with this our earrings are also ready. And these are my cutest earrings in this all the videos. So do let me know which one you like in all of these earrings. And I hope that you will also make these earrings make these earrings at home, and do let me know your experience of making these earrings. So do make these earrings for upcoming Diwali and other functions, and as wedding or etc. And let me know in the comments below, did you like my tutorial? If you like my tutorial, do give the thumbs up. You can also provide your valuable feedback in the comments below. If you visited my channel for the very first time, do hit the subscribe button.